Hi guys, so the Revuelto has been out, and of course since day one we have been working on our DMC design. Hell, even before the car came out we've been working on it. So now that we have the official pictures, we've been working 24 hours basically on this, and here are some very near finished photos of the first kit that DMC is going to launch. I would like to have your opinion though. So you can see both this one as well as this one basically have the same body kit on it. There's a front lip, a front hood, side skirts, diffuser. You can't see it on here, but the wing is different. So now, which wing do you prefer and why do you prefer that wing? Are you team aggressive? Do you like that big wing like up here? Personally, I also love that one. Or do you like it more classic and prefer that one down here below? Or do you say, no, DMC, please bring back the Molto Veloce wing that you've done on the Aventador. Whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. Is it this one up here, this one down there, or another one? I'm looking forward to your comments.